Hello, everybody.
Hi.
Welcome back to our stream. And this time we may have actually an idea about naming the stream. Well, the word the game will be played is called Ariadne. So how about we call the game Ariadne? That's original, right?
Um, I don't know, man. I actually thought that the name Ariadne matched our main character, not the whole plot and the game in overall.
No, I guess the main character will have a different name.
Ah, okay.
So it's now the world's name. The choice has been made already. You're too late,
The
sir.
choice has been made already.
Yeah, this won't change anytime soon. So for today we have a few things we may need to do. First of all, I would like to actually give our character an image of the character, so he won't be a ball anymore. And another thing I would like to do is actually give him some controls, so we can move him around.
Will the image be a sprite or something similar to this?
Well, I don't really want to spoil it yet. You will see.
Let's see.
I have prepared actually an image of the final design we will use. You know, in rough edges. It's gonna be awesome.
Your initial words seemed like a magician.
Maybe.
I don't wanna spoil you.
No, you will see, like everybody else. Don't jump into things. Okay, so I suppose we can start now. Well, first thing we're gonna do is change our character from a sphere to a cube. Let me see, it should be cube geometry actually. We're gonna give him about, let's say, 300 and let's give him one depth because we don't really need that much. Another thing we're gonna have to do is actually change the map he has to an image. For that I'm gonna grab a texture of a map, and we're gonna use I think it's called hero image into my files. Let me check the images. Yes, it's hero. So that's the first change. Now we're gonna use this into the actual yes, into the mesh. I think it's gonna use the basic mesh actually. Let me check. Do we have the basic mesh around here somewhere? Maybe. Anyway, I'm just gonna grab this one and I'm gonna put. So, while I do all this kind of stuff, how was your day?
You're not hearing too much from me actually this time
Oh,
because I'm just tweeting and updating my status on Google Plus according to our current streaming. My day, yes. As
mm-hmm.
I as I previously told you, um, this day wasn't very good. I'm currently like a zombie. I used to be like a zombie after having so few hours of sleep. So I'll try to fix my schedule a bit somehow a bit in a better choice, having a better choice about this. I don't know how and why this happens. Maybe because I like working in the night, and you know the motivation when you start doing something, you don't want to sleep without having this done. through
Yeah, I
this.
guess that is true actually.
What about yours?
Actually, my schedule has been fine these few days. Well, as fine as it can be actually. But yeah, I guess I'm waking up early, like a normal person, you know. Not exactly a hardcore programmer, I suppose.
Okay.
Yeah. Uh, let's keep it transparency. Why not? So yeah, that's my schedule. Not much happening. I finished most of my projects for the last week. I have a little thing to do this week as well, but yeah, nothing really hard already.
Nothing really hard. Usual development tasks and school schedule.
Yeah,
Like,
pretty much. Yeah, it's not really a big deal. So you can actually see our character sometime soon.
what?
There you go. This is
Ah,
our
I can now.
character.
I can now see the character. It fits the background.
Isn't it awesome?
It's really funny.
All the design levels.
All sound design levels.
Yeah, yeah, I know. I mean, yeah. I think I mentioned before, I'm not a designer. Of course, it's not gonna be that bad. I mean, I'm gonna improve it a lot, and it's not gonna be a stick figure. It's gonna be an actual character. Don't worry
My
about
god,
it. Don't
my
worry
my
about
my
it.
god, my words sounded like Johnny, a friend of us.
Yeah.
Awesome design level with an ironic tone.
Actually, I did invite him in this time, but he really wasn't around. I guess, has problems of his own to deal, mostly with his
Yes.
location.
Location and internet stuff things.
Yeah, I suppose so. So the next thing we're gonna do now that we actually have some kind of a character. Actually, can you connect to chat? Uh, it presents some problems to me. There we
What?
go. Our chat seems to have some issues. No, actually.
Uh, did you wait for us to have some messages till now?
No, it was giving me unable to connect message. But yeah, it
Hmm.
seems fine right now.
For me, it's okay.
Nice. Well, as long as everybody else can see it, should be fine for me. Anyway, the next thing we're gonna do is make you able to move this character. I believe we have some things around here that can already be used for that. Let me see. Perhaps pretty much this code with some little changes will be used. I know. So we want him to use the A to move sideways, as well as the W will move you upwards, and I guess we will use S for downwards.
A
So
usual movement for every gameplay.
yes, pretty much. It's gonna be, four axis, well, two axis basically, but four way movement. We're not gonna use space for now. No. And let's see. Well, of course, we need my camera, but not just yet. No. This will be more like that. We're gonna use the character for now alone. And of course, the camera will have to follow later. We'll see how far can we make it this time. So I need to
By
define speed
uh,
first of all. Sorry,
by
yes.
how far you mean our development process
Yeah, yeah.
through our current streamings?
No, for this stream alone actually. Let's see how
Yes.
far can we make it this time. Okay,
Okay.
we can actually move the character a little bit now. I think. Should everybody work like magic? Okay.
How is the average speed? What should be a good average speed, and how speed is the value of one? Would you mind explaining us?
Yes, the value. The value is actually gonna give him some acceleration. Now we have to experiment with the values, and we probably need to put some. Uh, I, I'm not sure how you call this. An opposite acceleration, I suppose, for friction, basically. So he can actually move as long as you press the button, basically. We could use speed itself instead of acceleration, but I may really want to use some ice which will have different friction. So
So
again,
you wanna feel more free?
yeah, let's see what kind of speed I use in this case. I don't really remember the speed. 500, you say. Well, I guess acceleration is a lot more than I thought. Okay, let's try to do that. Of course, this time the case may be different because it's a cube, not a ball and not a sphere. So yes, and our character is still called character, right? Right. Very nice, very nice.
Why the character of Ron is a cube? You
We
mean
I
that
use the cube for
we
now,
give
so we can actually yes. Sorry, go on.
for what I can understand is that um, our frameworks take as an input the given image and design its borders. So what makes sense for the current image is a cube-like object.
Yes, I suppose. Well, for starters, maybe we're gonna use different elements basically to represent different body parts later on, like a sphere for the head and a cube for the body, and perhaps the arms and legs as well.
So at this time, our character is represented from a cube.
Yes, for now. Yes.
Okay, now this is clear. Okay, okay.
Okay. I'm gonna try to set the velocity actually because maybe we're gonna have to test a few things out. Let's see.